Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go to Zenpop.jp and use that coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. There should be 7 different varieties of instant ramen from Japan in here, and generally I haven't tried any of them. So let's crack this open and take a look. Alright, so when you open up one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this card. And the card contains a URL that has information on all the varieties within the box. So I'm going to go take a look at that, and I'm going to give you some info on all of them. Alright, so first we're looking at this. This is Nissin Cup Noodles Gyoza Big. So there's different stages and sizes of cup noodles from Japan. This is their big cup. As you can see, here's the G on the lid, and also it's got a sachet with it. So I guess this is supposed to have some kind of broth that emulates gyoza, or it has gyoza in it, but yeah, I'll review this one pretty quick. Next up from Marushan, we have Menzukuri Yuzu and Kosho Karo Tori Paita. So yeah, this should be like a chicken, creamy, little bit of citrus notes to it. Yeah, this might be really good. I'm hopeful. Next up from Nissin, we've got the No Asari Odashi ga Oishi Donbei Agodama Soba. And if this is the one I think it is, I absolutely hate this. I'm not sure, but it certainly looks like it, and I don't know, but we will see. It looks fascinating, though. They make a lot of these different varieties, so hopefully it's not the one I'm thinking of. And then, hey, from Marotai, we've got an Ajioka Tai Tonkatsu Ramen Hakata. So, Hakata ramen. So the noodles should have a little bit of floweriness to it. Milky, creamy, porky. I'm looking forward to this. I really like Marotai's stuff. For a long time, I really wasn't a fan of the whole harasame thing until I started reviewing them. This is from Ace Cook, and this is Soup Harasame Hakata Mizutaki to Yuzu Kosho. I don't know, maybe it's because of the whole yuzu thing. I'm really not a big fan of yuzu. I've had a few varieties that I do like. Hopefully this is one of them. Yeah, the last couple Ace Cook harasame I've had have been absolutely excellent. So we'll see if this follows suit. And from Sapporo Ichiban, we have a Cup Star barbecue chicken flavor. Is it Bat Barbecue? It's got Batman on it, and it's got him on the lid as well. Cutesy. I don't know, folks. We'll see. I'll give it a try. And to round out the box from Ace Cook, we've got some Maru Uma Wonton Chuka Soba. Yeah, I'm really hopeful on this one. I don't think I've had it, and this Maru Uma line, this range, is excellent. So, yeah, probably some good stuff in this cup. Oh, and look at that. They included a magnet for the fridge this month. Thank you. All right, so in this, the January 2023 Zenpop box, you get Tonkatsu, Soba, Tori Paitan, Batman, Harasame, Wonton, Gyoza, a magnet, and your magical card of wonder. Well, as always, thank you very much to the folks over at Zenpop.jp for sending these boxes over. I've been doing unboxing and reviewing of the products that they send for years now. I want to say this will be the 5th year I've been doing it. I love doing it. It's a lot of fun, a lot of great stuff to review every month, so I appreciate it. Thank you. If you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to Zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. Get yourself that discount. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.